Moo. Moo. Moo.
Look! Cows!
Cows? Oh, I see them. How'd they get up there? Moo, 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 moo.
We'll get help.
Better call Max.
Calling all trains! Please report to the busy board for today's mega mission!
It's party time.
Today's mega mission goes to Rescue Red.
Woohoo!
We need you to rescue the cows from a tippy rock and gusty gulch before they fall. Then you could deliver them home to farm station.
Yes, sir, Max, sir.
It's time to
Clean up. Tune up.
hook up.
To the beat of my sweet track. Break it down. Check, checkity, check. And you are license certified.
And now it's time to hook up with your net car to rescue the cows. Now you're ready to
Make tracks.
I'll ride along to make sure everything goes smoothly.
Hop on. Siren and lights time.
We better hurry. Those cows are stuck on a very tippy rock.
Not to worry. My sirens will clear the way for us to get there quickly. Huh? My siren sounds like a kazoo.
It does sound like a kazoo. That's strange.
The kazoo sound is scaring all the animals. I hope it doesn't scare the cows while I'm trying to rescue them.
The cows are up there.
Moo, moo, moo. We're coming, cows. Don't worry. I'll keep my siren off so the kazoo noises don't scare them. Mega ladder, activate. Moo, moo, moo. Oh no, they're too scared to come down.
Oh no! What should we do? We have to get them off the rock.
Hold on, cows. Moo! Moo, 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 moo. I turned my sirens on by accident. Wait, the cows seem to like the kazoo music?
Yeah, it looked like they were dancing.
I have an idea that might just work.
The music is making the cows calm down. Keep playing it, and they might follow the music off the rock.
Moo, 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 moo. No boogieing, cows. That rock is tippy. You have to come down before you start dancing. Moo, 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 moo. Net car, activate. Moo, moo, moo.
We did it!
Okay, now you can dance. Moo. Hey, this song is pretty catchy. It turns out my broken siren ended up helping the rescue.
It sure did. Now we need to get these cows safely back to farm station.
Approaching farm station. Done and delivered.
Cows! We were so worried about you.
Moo, moo. Thanks for rescuing the cows, Red. No problem. It turns out they liked the kazoo sounds my siren is making.
Kazoo sounds?
Yes. Listen.
Oh no! I must have accidentally clicked the kazoo button when I was doing my check.
No worries. The cows loved it. Moo, 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 moo.
You know what? This is a pretty good tune. It makes me feel like dancing.
Yeah, maybe we should leave my siren like this for a little longer. Moo, moo, moo.